Crisp on that left foot, drives it long towards the goal. Riding high. What a mark. And maybe that's Collingwood spark, as only he can, going vertically.
Hill's back in the square. Bobby Hill! Soaring! A marvellous creation from Bobby Hill!
From the ball up, Davies Uniacke has it. His kick's semi-smothered. Side bottom swats it Collingwood's way. To the dangerous Crisp. Lovely kick to the top of the goal. Bobby Hill has taken the mark of the year. Full stop. Exclamation mark.
Oh, yeah.
That was a screamer by any measure.
Bobby Hill from the back. Bobby Hill takes mark of the year. That's as good as you'll see.
Oh, that is as good as it gets. That deserves a car. I know they don't give away cars.
That's a car.
That's worthy of a car.
The importance of recognition, I think it's vitally important. For me, I think it's an encouragement of striving to continue improving your work, and having that validated by your leaders is a source of pride for people. I think we were taught recognition from a very young age in school and in sport, where we value the recognition of doing good work, and that doesn't leave us. I think we need an incentive to strive to. It enhances our performance, but also boosts performance around you and other people and your peers. So for me, recognition of a job well done is setting the goal of continuous improvement.
Want to recognize their people, but the challenge, especially in a hybrid work environment, is finding meaningful things to recognize our team members for. Often we can only recognize what we see, we observe or learn about from others, and our recognition focuses on what we appreciate as individuals, which may not always align to what others want to be appreciated for. According to me, recognition is about appreciating a person's inherent value and seeing them for far more than just their accomplishments.
Staff recognition should be at the heart of how we lead and do business. It needs to be part of our daily routine, both formal and informal, big and small, individuals and teams, and the impact can be truly touching. I've seen our staff proudly sharing their coffee cards on Facebook. One contractor shared with me that as he read his recognition out loud to his wife, he had tears streaming down his face. And the winners of our Employee of the Month vouchers have told me it's the first award they've ever received. These moments of recognition help everyone feel like they belong, making our workplace happier and healthier. And this sense of belonging improves our service outcome, strengthens our culture, and supports our zero harm goals. So let's keep making recognition a key part of how we lead.
Hi, my name's Jane Harris. I'm the Executive Manager Operations and Performance here at the Royal Adelaide Hospital. And I'm just going to talk to you for a minute or so about how we do recognition here. One of the most important things we do though is walking around talking to our people, and I do it with a pack of coffee cards in my pocket. They seem small, but to give to somebody when they're having a tough day, when I see them having a great interaction with a colleague, a patient or a clinician, just to say thanks is really important. I also give them to people that look like they're having a bit of a tough day. And sometimes it's that pulling them aside, having a quick chat, acknowledging that what they're doing is tough or the day is tough, giving them a coffee card, encouraging them to go and have a 5-minute break is really important. We also do a lot of pillar awards, so we really focus on those that are exhibiting the pillars within Downer and just doing those little things that just are a little bit extraordinary. And we recognise those people regularly. It might be a team that are leaning in and helping and supporting others, or it might be an individual. We take photographs, we put them on our electronic boards around the hospital so others can see, their permission. Others can see that we have people standing out. We put them in our local comms, we put them on notice boards around the place, but we like to celebrate our people too. We also recognise milestones. So we do it with the individual, with a certificate and a bit of a one-on-one chat with the leadership, and we do some photographs. but we also do it as a service morning tea. So we pull people together, usually once a quarter, that have had those milestones. We put them together, we put on something small, but we recognise them as a group, and I think it's about celebrating those people that have been with us for the long haul, and the value and the history that they bring is really, really important. We also celebrate feedback. So we recognise our people that we receive feedback from, be it from the client, be it from patients, but if there's been any really great feedback or compliments, we make sure we print it out and we celebrate it. Once again, if it's something that's outstanding, it might be a recognition for a pillar award, but we make sure we thank them. And then really it's just the not handing out stuff, but just the day-to-day thank yous. It's thanks for the effort, thanks for the intent, thanks for the outcome, or it might just being a thank you for what you do. So recognising our people one-on-one, appreciating what they do every day, because if they weren't here, feet on ground, doing what they do, we couldn't do what we do. So just a few things that we do here at the Royal Adelaide, but we're pretty proud of our people. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Rahul, Lifecycle Project Manager at Bendigo Hospitals. In context of recognition, I want to share how I felt truly recognized in my previous role with Downer. When our team at Bendigo Hospitals needed support regarding delivery of significant backlog projects, I was given an opportunity to step in. The trust and encouragement I received from the team was incredible. It helped me to demonstrate my abilities. I got on with task on hand, and I was encouraged to apply for an existing related permanent role. This made me feel truly valued within my old team as well as my new team at Bendigo. This recognition motivated me in growing as well as to contribute towards the success of the organization as well as for the team. Thank you for believing in me. Thank you.